Hello everyone, this is Richard C. Wilson, founder of the Family Office Club. I'm here at the Colorado River, at the bottom of the Grand Canyon here. My wife and I just hiked down for the day. I'm about to head back up. I wanted to record a video on some deals I've been closing recently. We have found that when you can focus on structuring a deal in a way where the founder of a company or the owner of an asset has their equity preserved, they're leaving at the end of the day with more equity. They're happier to get the deal done. When the investor has a higher return, not necessarily more equity, but a higher return through debt or royalties or some other structure that gives them a higher return. It could include tax structuring. And then when you combine those two things, deals are getting done a lot more often between our clients when you combine those three things. So it is saving equity for the person raising capital. It is increasing the return, whether it's through an income structure or some other structure for the investor, but then also structuring things to be much more tax efficient. I'm about 17 interviews into my 100 interview series on tax efficiency and doing 100 tax efficiency interviews with different experts and veterans in the tax planning, consulting, and advisory space. These are tax attorneys and accountants, and we're definitely sharing and learning a lot about that within our different events. So if you're not signed up already for our upcoming Commercial Real Estate Power Players Summit or our Family Office Super Summit, then please head over to familyoffices.com and commercialrealestate.com to get registered now. See you there.